Alright, what's good, fam? We're gonna unbox this real quick. This is K&F 6-inch camera suction mount. So I'm gonna unbox this and then we're gonna use it. Let's be practical here. And what's not practical is I don't have a knife on me. Hold up. We are ready. Let's open it up. Nice padding. I'm sure this is just some kind of instructions and whatnot. But I know how these work. Cool. Nice. Here we go. Let's take this out. Take this out. Alright, this is just a mount. I'm not going to use this phone mount. Sorry, my hands are super dry. I had a condition and I'm working on it. Hopefully it gets remedied quickly. Alright, let's check it out. So, you want to use this dust cover for sure. Don't let this thing get dirty. Otherwise, its suction power may not be as good. Nice. Alright, cool. For your GoPro, DJI action, any kind of action camera, really. So what I'm gonna do is I am gonna use this with a DJI. I keep saying DG. I don't know why, but it's a DJI Action 4. Alright, I guess I can move it around. Cool. Alright, so I'm going to put mine right here. You want to make sure that your surface is clean. This is already clean, so I'm not really worried about it. But if it's a dirty surface, it's going to be tough for you, man. So don't do that. Don't do that shit to yourself. Take the cover off. Boom. Alright, so that white line has disappeared. Nice. This is pretty sturdy now. Alright, the white line has disappeared. We're good to go.